Welcome to the channel. We are going to unbox this SA315B LAMA RC helicopter, which is a French single engine helicopter. This helicopter was built to meet hot and high operational requirements of Indian Armed Forces, and it has exceptional high altitude performance. The helicopter was originally built to meet requirements of Nepalese Army Air Service and Indian Air Force, as both countries had extreme mountain ranges in the form of Himalayas. The model of the helicopter is V915-A. It's suitable for 14 plus years of age. Flight distance is 100 meters. Let's unbox. This is what you get in the box. This is instruction manual for V915-A RC helicopter. The first page shows the contents, introduction, safety notes, four-channel LAMA RC helicopter. The details look quite good. And we have this transmitter, 4-channel transmitter. It needs 6 AA batteries. And finally we get some spare parts, main blade and tail blade. Let's see the function of the stick and button on the transmitter. Here the button at the rightmost top is one key takeoff and landing button. This one is photo. So if you are using FPV in this helicopter, then you can use this button to take photos. And the leftmost at the top, this one is speed. So you can fly the helicopter in high and low speed mode. Let's see the functions of the sticks. This one, the left one, is throttle or direction control lever. This one is front and rear or side fly control lever. This one is side flight fine tuning. This one is fine tuning. This one is fine adjustment of direction. So this helicopter can be flown in two modes. Mode 1, in which throttle will be on right hand, and mode 2, in which throttle will be on left hand. These are some standard equipments that we get with the helicopter. So we get 7.4 volt, 850 mAh LiPo battery. Flying time is approximately 8 minutes. Charging time is approximately 100 minutes. And number 6 is binding of radio transmitter and receiver, calibration of the gyroscope, lock the aircraft, one key takeoff landing, emergency stop, swap left and right hands. So this one is used to swap between mode 1 and mode 2. And number 12 is flight adjustment and setting, troubleshooting during flight. And finally you can see some parameters of the helicopter. Length of the helicopter is 430 millimeters. Height is 170 millimeters. Width of the helicopter is 100 millimeters. And maximum distance between ends of two props is 400 millimeters. From here to here it's 400 millimeters. Let's see this emergency stop function as well. In an emergency, press the buttons on the left and right upper corners at the same time, and the aircraft motors will stop immediately. If you press these two buttons at the same time, the helicopter will stop. You can see two servos here. Both main motor and tail motor are brushed. And underneath you can see the LiPo battery, 2S LiPo battery. It's fixed. You can use this USB charger to charge the battery. And here is the on-off switch. Let's turn it on. Looks pretty cool. You can see this part in real helicopter, in real SA315B as well. Let's put in 6 AW batteries in the transmitter. On off switch. As you turn on the transmitter, the red LED in the helicopter will blink faster. For the connection, you push this throttle up and then down. Then you will see the red LED on the transmitter going solid. We cannot fly the helicopter yet. You can see the throttle is not working. First we have to unlock the helicopter. For that we do this. If we press these two at the same time, the helicopter will stop. The instruction manual says to swap between left and right hand mode. Push and hold the button next to the left hand joystick and then turn on the power switch at the same time. After turning it on, release the button to switch between left and right hand mode. Okay, we will not do that now, but you can fly this in either left hand mode or right hand mode. We are in left hand mode right now because this left hand is throttle. I'm so excited to take her to the skies. I will see you outside.